When it comes to efficient dumpster rental in Lexington, South Carolina, one name stands out: AMC Waste Services. At AMC Waste Services, we understand the importance of a clean, organized space for your projects. Whether you're managing a home renovation, a construction site, or planning a community event, we've got you covered. Our team ensures prompt delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on what matters most: your project. At AMC Waste Services, we not only prioritize your convenience but also the environment. We're committed to responsible waste management, contributing to a cleaner and greener Lexington, South Carolina. For your dumpster rental in Lexington, South Carolina, choose AMC Waste Services and experience a seamless waste removal process. Booking your dumpster is as easy as a few clicks. Just visit our website at www.amc-waste.com Dumpster Rental Lexington SC to explore our services, check our pricing, and conveniently book your dumpster online. We've designed our website with you in mind, making the rental process seamless and hassle-free. You can also call us at 803-408-9990 and speak with our friendly staff for any questions. With AMC Waste Services, we're your go-to for dumpster rental excellence.